I do salute with your own presentation. Three of you have already inspired me and make me to be brave this time. Thank you for being my preliminary of teaching practice this time. Do you see my own handout? Have you seen my handout? I share you now.
Yes.
We see your lesson plan.
Yeah, lesson plan.
I should give this my material to you, but I just want to share through this this computer. My own topic this time is the city of Sodom and Gomorrah. According to the book of Genesis, chapter 19. Our own strategy, my strategy, I would like to deliver this time is basic jigsaw. And then I intend this presentation for high school grade 10, not for seminary or undergraduate student. This is my own objective throughout my...
Excuse me, Demen.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you were supposed to do KWL.
Yes. I just want to introduce a little bit of my own handout, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. I think all my friend has already seen this. I would like to elaborate a little bit about knowledge, analysis, application, and two applications I put here. And this time, I would like to discuss about Sodom and Gomorrah. I have already prepared here whiteboard. My question to you, to my own student here, what do you know about Sodom and Gomorrah? Would you mind raising your hand? Okay, Brother Douglas, Pastor Douglas.
It's about fire from heaven.
Okay, thank you so much. Fire from heaven. Okay, anybody else want to tell what do you know about Sodom and Gomorrah? Maybe Brother Leif. You may tell something about.
I think it was destroyed.
Okay, thank you. Or destruction, right?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Brother Batul?
Homosexuality was common.
Okay, thank you. Homosexuality.
Like nowadays.
Okay, how about you, our leader, Brother Francisco?
Gomorrah was an ancient city.
Ancient city.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Ancient city. Anybody want to tell about Sodom and Gomorrah? Maybe you have already known a lot, because it is actually for children's story, started since children. That's why I want to remind you, for those students in level 10, senior high school. Anybody want to tell something else about Sodom and Gomorrah?
It was a simple city.
Okay. Thank you so much. Sinful. Okay. Thank you. I think it's enough because our time is going on so fast. And how about, do you have question about Sodom and Gomorrah? Do you have question about Sodom and Gomorrah?
Why it doesn't exist anymore? Why it's been destroyed?
Why? Okay, thank you so much. I'm sorry, my typing quite. Why destroy? Okay, why the city was destroyed? Okay, next. Any other opinion or any other question from you? Do you have question, Francisco?
Was everyone sinful in the city?
Sorry, would you mind repeating once again?
Why was it exactly destroyed?
Yeah, the question is the same with
Or
number
you
one.
can say, was everyone sinful?
Yeah, everyone was sinful.
Yes, it's a question. If was
Okay.
everyone?
Were they all sinful? Thank you. Thank you so much. How about my senior pastor? But my student this time, my student, grade 10, Douglas, Pastor Douglas.
Why God wait until sunrise to send the fire from heaven?
Why until sunrise?
Yes. Why not
Sunrise
immediately?
to destroy, right?
Yes.
Thank you, my student. Okay.
We have about 4 minutes remaining.
I have to ask you, Leif. Your question is really important to this class.
Yeah, I want to know, was there anybody good in Sodom and Gomorrah? Like, was there a church there? Were there good people in Sodom and Gomorrah?
Okay, would you mind simplifying? Even though you're a student, you have to simplify your question.
Was there a church there?
Okay. Sorry. Was there church there? Sorry. Okay. Thank you for question. I think you have already remembered all what you have already mentioned this time. Now, I would like to present from the passage I have already prepared to you this time. Would you mind reading? Small passage, the city of Sodom and Gomorrah. Later on, we'll underline what you have already mentioned and what you have already not mentioned. Okay, only for 1 minute maybe. Are you done?
Yes, we're done, teacher.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, what do you find after you cross-check from the material I gave you and your and your own opinion, as we have already write down here. What do you find is not found in K and W? How about fire from heaven? Do you find there? I think there is. We can see here.
Burning sulfur. Is it? No.
Yeah.
Rain down burning sulfur onto the city.
Yes. I think there is here. I don't need to write down something. How about destruction? Do you find destruction there?
It destroyed, yes.
Yes. I think God rained down burning sulfur onto the city. All men, animals, and vegetable were destroyed. Vegetation. Thank you so much. I think we have already found there. And then later on, homosexuality. Do you find an idea or clue that in that city there is homosexuality? Okay.
Well, not really.
Yeah.
Is there
And the city came to Lot's home, demanding to give in the two visitors so they could have sex with them.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, my senior, but my student now.
if there
You
were
are a smart student. You have to get reward from principal of our school. And then, how about ancient city? Are you find there? Or was there church there? I think there is no church there.
yeah, no church.
There is no church. Yes, of course, Sodom and Gomorrah is an ancient city, but there is no the place we may be able to visit. But some expert mentioned that this the place is in that sea. God has already sunk the city and made it become Dead Sea now. And then sinful. Are you find word sinful in that
Yes.
material?
Yes.
Yes, I think the city is terribly sinful. Okay. I think time is over. What
Yeah.
we may conclude from this time, your understanding compared to the material you have already read is quite interconnected. You have already understood our own lesson this time. And assignment to you, next meeting, I want to invite one of you or two of you or three of you to retell again about the city of Sodom and Gomorrah. My conclusion, Sodom and Gomorrah has already been destroyed by God because the city is sinful city, terribly sinful city, because they are not fear of God anymore. For you, my student, this time, as you are still young, you have to maintain your own character according to Bible. If you have already found the story about Sodom and Gomorrah, you have to put away the concept of Sodom of Gomorrah from your own heart. You have to remember our God is holy. Our God is living in his own integrity. And so far, for our end meeting, I would like to thank you for giving serious attention to my own lesson this time. Thank you so much.
Good
Yes,
job.
teacher.